Hello friends, welcome again. Today the recipe is very simple. Some of my friends, they asked me to make a recipe or share a recipe of some simple and less spicy chicken kebabs. You can also make this recipe with beef or mutton, but today I'm making it with boneless chicken. I have over here chicken boneless breast. I have some pieces and I marinated it with 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And this is approximately 1 pound, which is around 500 grams of chicken pieces. 1 large onion cut into pieces. Then I have 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves. I have this big green chili. I will cut it into some small pieces. I have lemon juice, 2 tablespoons over here. Among the spices, I have salt, half teaspoon, black pepper, 3/4 teaspoon. This is 1 teaspoon of roasted and crushed cumin seeds and coriander seeds, which is zira and dhania powder. Over here I have half teaspoon of red chili powder. I'm putting only half because we are also using the green chilies, and then coriander powder, which is also half teaspoon. I also have black salt. If you don't have it, it's optional. This is 1/4 teaspoon. And some of the people, they add roasted besan, but I use any kind of breadcrumbs, and right now I have the Italian style, so I'm using 2 tablespoons heaped of these. It will act as a nice binding agent and gives it a different nice taste. So very simple, less spicy chicken kebab in process. So let's get started. These pieces are already marinated with ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Then we'll add all of these onions. If you have young kids, they will love this recipe. Very nice, moist, less spicy kebabs. And then I'm gonna just cut this into small pieces. 2, 3. Add this coriander leaves to it. And then we will also add all the spices, dry spices, along with 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. If you like the taste of besan or the roasted gram flour, you can add 2 tablespoons of that also. I'm used to of adding this, so I'll just do that. To add 1 teaspoon full of any oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil while mixing it. Just 1 teaspoon, not more than that. It's enough. And then we will also add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We will add it to the mixture. And we'll mix again. Have a look here. It should be grinded very finely, and now just the last time I'm gonna press it. We are done grinding everything together. This is how it looks. I'm going to cover this mixture with the lid and put it in the refrigerator for easily 30 minutes to 1 hour. And you can also leave it overnight if you want to make it the other day. And then I have these skewers or the bamboo sticks. I will use these to shape the kebab on top of it, and I will show you later on how to shape and make the kebabs and then fry them. So let's start to shape them and fry them. So you can take any kind of stick. You can take something like this, which is the skewers, or I have this one. So either one of these. If you have this, just to shape and wrap it around. So here I have 1 tablespoon of oil, just to put some oil over here, and then just to put some oil on your fingertips to make the kebabs. This batter was in the refrigerator, so now I'm just gonna put it around this, and it's easier to shape them. Just like this, and then you can also put a little bit of oil so they can or maintain their shape. Okay. So here guys, these are all in shape, and now we have two options. Either we can fry them or we can bake them. So today I'm thinking of just brushing them a little bit with oil and then baking them. So let's put them in the baking dish. Timeless. So just brush them with a little bit of oil, any cooking oil. Oven is at 450, and then I'm just going to put them in. We have to bake them around for 8 minutes from one side, and then we'll turn it and then bake from the other side. Let's see. Wow. Oh, cool. I like it. So I baked them for 8 minutes on each side, and now I'm just brushing them with some oil, and then I will just set them for 2 minutes on broil them actually for 2 minutes. Setting them back again, and we will see the broil option, and then we will adjust the time and start. So we'll broil them for 2 minutes and they'll be ready soon. See you in 2 minutes. So dear friends, this is ready. The Chelo Kabab, Iranian kebabs with dill and sweet peas rice. This is so delicious. You all have to give it a try very soon. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Give this recipe a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. Till next time, take good care. And kindly don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye. Love you all.